should know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything.
Hi guys, just an update. So today is 24th of December 2023 and it's the Christmas Eve. So Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. Sana po ay you're having a good time, a lovely time kasama po ang inyong family and friends. And kung malayo man po kayo sa inyong mga pamilya ngayon, still have a lovely, lovely Christmas. So just an update today. We spent time with my stepdaughter, Summer. So, binigay na namin sa kanya yung mga gifts niya. And also, we had our little tradition. Naglagay kami ng aming ornament sa Christmas tree. We do that every year during Christmas Eve. Or whenever we put up our Christmas tree. So, that's our little tradition. And also, we had nice hot chocolate. I'm still drinking it. So, yun. So, hinatid na siya ni Andy. And so, it's just Andy and me for the Christmas Christmas Eve sa gabi until tomorrow is Christmas Day. And then we will have Andy's parents and his cousins. So, ayun guys, i-update ko lang kayo. And then tomorrow, sasama ko kayo kung ano yung mga ganap namin dito sa bahay kasi we are hosting the Christmas dinner. So, meaning dito sa UK, ang tradition po kasi dito, during Christmas ay nagsasalo-salo ang mga magkakapamilya kapag for Christmas dinner or roast dinner. So, ako po ay magluluto bukas ng turkey and gammon. And syempre, kasama na doon yung mga vegetables na kasama nung roast dinner. So, yeah, sasama namin kayo bukas. So, today din pala, guys, sumama sa akin sa church yung asawa ko at saka yung stepdaughter ko. First time nilang sumama sa akin. So, which is very, very special. And also, I appreciate that they came and joined me sa Christmas Eve service dun sa church namin. So, yun. Ang update lang, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga ornament namin para it's like personalized and like it actually represent us being someone here in the house. So, ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Hey Google, play Christmas song. Sparkles. Sparkles. So, this is our Christmas tree. Pakita ko yung mga ornament. So, that's Summers. Ang angel. So, ito, sa kanya to. Kasi mahilig siya sa cellphone. Ito ay kay Andy. Kasi mahilig din siyang mag-games. Ito ay ako. Swans. So, from ugly duckling to swan. Yun lang. And then, ito yung aming dog na si Lady. Nilagay namin siya dyan. Ito, Nutcracker. Ito, Andy represents the guard of the house. Yan, Nutcracker. Ito yung isang dog na nasa, yung dog ni Summer, na nasa parents ni Andy. Puggle. Ito naman, another Summer. And then, ito ay sa akin. Because mahilig akong magsulat. And then, ito naman, kay Summer, mahilig siya sa blue. Yan. Kaya binigyan ko siya ng star kasi for her to be to shine bright. Yan. And then ito represents our home. So we got this last year. So patuloy namin ilalagay ito kasi we got this when we moved house. Nung nabili namin tong bahay. And then guys, isasabit ko yung invisible ornament this year. Dun, 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 dun. Ano muna siya? Invisible muna siya dyan. Yan. Okay. I-reveal natin yan sa mga susunod na buwan. Okay, so that's our Christmas tree for the Christmas Eve. Complete na kasi meron na siyang ornaments. Nag-open na din kami ng gifts kanina. Presents time!
Let's see. Not gonna lie.
Oh, lady! Look at that! This is opening her pressy. Hey, this is mine! Lady wants my present from Summer. Ooh. For your teeth. How was that?
Light up village.
It's gonna light. Maybe there's a lighting
No, there is.
switch. You have to switch it. I got my presents from Summer. Look at Lady. Just like, what about me?
Hang on, before you open it fully, we thought it was bigger. So,
It's okay.
it was meant to be a
I-
human lady
I-
blanket that was big. It turned out to just be a lady blanket that's small. It says your name on it, dog.
Lady!
You haven't got your squiffy eyes, lady.
I know.
It does, look.
Hey, you're lucky I didn't choose the picture where she has a double chin.
Whoa. This one, we'll leave it here. The spray.
What are you doing? I go, though. I like to go to bed. So Simon
Boy,
should have made him go in head first. Oh.
It's melting.
Santa
Have a bath sometime.
Oh.
Summer's one is not this one.
Oh, mine's open. And it's just the bubbles just went.
Which one?
That one. Look.
Santa's drowning.
Oh, drowning.
Oh, he's dead.
Mine is nearly.
Look.
Rip.
It's like, help me! I'm drowning.
After he gave away all the presents. Oh,
There you
mine
go,
is
there you
drowning.
go.
Mine is drowning.
Mine's drowned.
I don't see any knowledge.
That's it. Oh, there's. If you want more,
Guys.
I have some bits.
Right, Santa's drowned.
Okay.
Santa's kind of clumped at the bottom of my cup.
So, yun. Nag-open na rin kami ng gifts kanina. Yung gift ni Summer for us. And yung mga gift namin for her. Yun, guys. Thank you. And see you tomorrow. Mamaya pala, manonood kami ng Netflix. Kami ni Mr. Hindi yan. Pero Christmas movie. So, yeah.